Now guys, there's a police diver in the water making one final swing to the area because we caught, oh, there's the shark over there. My friend Mary is the diver. She's in the water today. I gotta get Mary out of the water, guys. Give me a second. Mary, can you hear me? Mary, can you hear me? You gotta get out of the water. There's a shark coming for you. Mary, you're Jessica Seal. Get out of there. There's a shark coming right for you. Okay, Mary is a little contrary. Mary sounds a little mannish. It must be the adrenaline of the moment. Oh, it's a Bloody Mary. That was a long way to go to get that one, wasn't it? Ah, yes, but the payoff is actually pretty good. Now, we got a shark to catch, guys. Keep an eye on that yellow barrel over there. Let's see if the shark will take the bait. Now, he might not. He just chopped on Mary, but let's see if he'll... Oh, good, he took the bait. He took the dock. He knocked the gasoline hose off. If that goes up, it's going to get nice and warm back here. Does anybody have any marshmallows, Hershey bars, or graham crackers? Because I need a lure. I need a really big one. And you know what? He'll fill the bill. Wow. Some of you guys jumped and shot out of the cannon. That's what I love it.